How to add image in Photopea. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser and search for photopea.com. Once you're here, there are two ways on how you can add an image. The first one is open up your file, and from here you can simply drag the image and then paste it in this box right here. Now this is one way on how you can add the image. Another one is you want to click on File, which is at the top left corner. Then from here click on Open and the file manager is going to open up. So you can choose any picture from your device. So search for the picture and then click on it, then click on Open to open this image, and here you can see it has been added. Now you can do various editing here. You can layer it as well from this section in the right side. So there are lots of tools that you can use at the left hand side to edit your photo as well. So this is how you can add image in Photopea. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.